Let's move now back to the worldwide health news that has consumed us now for a couple of weeks. The novel coronavirus, now named COVID-19, continues to worsen across the world. The latest confirmed case count is now over 45,000. Deaths number now more than 1,100.
Yeah, still, there might be signs of the virus slowing down. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with the latest. Doc.
Yeah, Kim and Devin, while there have been new cases reported every day, the number of new cases has begun to level off over the last several days. Now, some believe that's an indication that the quarantine measures may be working, while skeptics believe the Chinese government is just downplaying the numbers.
For passengers on the Diamond Princess currently under quarantine off the coast of Japan, the situation continues to worsen. Since yesterday, there have been 40 new cases, bringing the total count to 175. 10 are crew members and at least 24 are American passengers. Today, the World Health Organization announced that a different cruise ship, the Westerdam, which has been turned away from several ports despite the fact that they have no reported coronavirus cases aboard, is now heading for Cambodia, where the passengers will be allowed to disembark. The Director General of the World Health Organization has emphasized the need for careful balance between precautions against COVID-19 and fear leading to xenophobia, saying outbreaks can bring out the best and worst in people, and that stigmatizing individuals or entire nations does nothing but harm the response. Meanwhile, in the U.S., there are no new cases. However, Dr. Nancy Messonnier of the CDC said in a conference call today that we can and should be prepared for this new virus to gain a foothold in the U.S. The goal of the measures we've taken to date are to slow the introduction and impact of this disease in the United States. But at some point, we are likely to see community spread in the U.S. or other countries, and this will trigger a change in our response strategy.
So as of today, the CDC has evaluated 420 people for COVID-19 in 41 states. Of those, 13 have tested positive, 347 negative, and 60 are still pending. Now, Michigan is in the process of testing our testing kits, I should say, that were from the CDC, and our state lab expects to have the ability to conduct those tests within a week, which will ultimately speed up any results for anyone that needs tests in the state of Michigan going forward.
Good. Yeah.
You got to test the tests first.
Right. They need to evaluate, make sure they can do it properly.
All right. Thanks, Doc. Well, we're just getting started here on a Wednesday. Here's Sandra Ali.